Welcome to my preview of Big Sur. Today I am on a late 2014 iMac, in case you were wondering. Sorry I'm a bit late, I've been kind of busy lately, but let's get started.
First, you can now do Memoji stickers by clicking on that little app thing. Sorry, it might be cut off a bit. Then clicking Memoji stickers. Then you see a Memojis pull up. Let's just go ahead and pick this one. It'll put it in. You can just say whatever you want to say, and it goes through like a normal message. Also, you can do special effects by typing in a message like, "Welcome to the video," then clicking on the app thing again, message effects. Then you can pick one of the things, like let's do fireworks. Hit send, it'll come through with a bunch of fireworks. And then it'll come through on the other person's end with fireworks also. You can also do GIFs, which I've been wanting for a long time. So let's just find a GIF like hello. GIFs are so funny. Memes are too. Then I'll send through. Also, you can insert photos from your photo library. Like, I can just hit photos. These are some pictures I'll be using later. And then select a picture. Click out of it. Hit type in whatever you want to say, like Nerf War tonight at noon, or whatever, and send the picture through, and it will come through like normal. Also, just like in iOS and iPadOS, you can pin conversations and add group photos. So that was it for messages, but
Later you will be able to get iPhone and iPad apps on your Mac. For example, you could get Among Us or HBO Max or Google Classroom or stuff that you could not previously get on Mac. I think it's coming like late 2020, but I will definitely let you guys know when that comes out. There are a couple of smaller updates like redesigned apps, dock changes, like smaller features.
pages. Here are a couple of apps that have pretty new like cover images. First up is Pages. Second is Keynote. Third is Numbers. Fourth is Launchpad. Fifth is FaceTime. Sixth, Messages. Seven, Finder has a completely new, like rounded corners, completely new layout. Oh, here's a picture of the corners. You can tell that it's super rounded here, and it's more rounded than the previous update when it was just like square. Next, here's all of the items that I have on my dock. Shows all of the new pictures. Finder, nothing new. iMovie, nothing, nothing, nothing. Kind of some stuff new. Nothing. Turned from white to red. Nothing. Bit more detailed. Not much. Nothing, nothing, and a lot. Nothing on the trash. But that is the new dock. Exciting, but they are not that exciting because you have to click up here on the time to pull up the widgets. It has your notifications also with widgets you choose. So I'm not as excited about the widgets, but they aren't as cool as other Apple devices, but I mean, at least there's widgets, right? So let's move on to something else similar. It's called Control Center. So yes, there is a Control Center on Mac. It includes, but it's not limited to, screen mirroring to Apple TVs, um, uh, screen brightness. You can make your brightness higher, all the way down, whatever. I don't think you can rearrange it. Yeah, you can't rearrange it. There's keyboard brightness, which I can't do because I'm on an iMac. There's volume. Oh, that hurts my ears. I have AirPods in, but that hurts. There's music, and there's do not disturb up here. And then there's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirDrop. So that's Control Center. Now let's go ahead and talk about in early October, but it's still considered part of macOS 11. On the start page, you can add a couple of widgets using this customization button down here. Like I have privacy report, favorites, frequently visited, and Siri suggestions, but you can also add your reading list and change the background image. I have it. I'm just gonna make it how about I make it this Big Sur picture, which is also the header of this video, or the thing of this video, cover image, whatever it's called. So there is also a couple of new extensions, which I will add a link to a page with all of them down below in the description. Also, did I mention that Safari is a whopping 50% faster than Chrome? Safari is just awesome. By the way, while I'm in Safari, go ahead and click subscribe on my channel and go visit my website. Now let's move on to some
story. Yesterday, I got on a Google Meet with my friends and neighbors. They have Android, so we couldn't do FaceTime, sadly. I was using a late 2019 or early 2019 MacBook Air. The fans were running so hard, I could hear it from 10 yards away. And I wasn't even using Google Chrome. I was using Safari. That is why you do not use Google stuff. Also, like I said earlier when I was doing my tutorial of Safari, Safari's 50% faster than Chrome. That is just crazy. Well, that's the end of my tutorial. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment your favorite feature. Maybe I will show you more features if you comment your favorite feature. See you in my next video. Bye!